So,
We're proud that it is in Davao City, Mayor, where you are and I am for all the...
it will be a very proud moment for all the Davaoenos na nandito yan. And I'm sure that siguro, Pastor, payagan mo naman nung magtingin ang mga tao.
Oh, yes, yes. Everyone, Mayor, that you will invite. We are inviting everyone. All your friends, all of the Davaoenos, you know, from Mayor Baste to the councilors to all. Pag mag-inauguration tayo, Mayor. And you will be the inauguration speaker.